Cage culture, presented by Dr. K. Ramarao, Department of Zoology. Cage culture, the production method for raising aquatic species using enclosures made of wire or netting around rigid frames which are placed in water. A cage or net pen is a system that confines the fishes or shellfishes in a mesh enclosures. In cage culture, large number of fishes can be installed in reservoirs, rivers, lakes, or seas. A catwalk and a handrail is built around a battery of floating cages. There are four types of fish rearing cages, namely fixed cages, floating cages, submerged cages, and submersible cages. Economically speaking, cage culture is a low impact farming practice with high returns and least carbon emission activity. In India, cage culture practices mainly tilapia, pangasius, Indian major carps, etc. cultured in freshwater. Cage culture involves the growing of fishes in existing water resources while being enclosed in a net cage which allows free flow of water. It can an aquaculture production system made of a floating frame, net materials, and mooring system with a round and square shaped floating nets. In view of the high production attainable in cage culture system, it can play a significant role in increasing the overall fish production in India. Suitable locations in India, long coastlines, vast brackish water areas available in coastal states and other utilized water bodies can be better utilized by adopting cage culture. Since the investment is low and requires very little or no land area, this framing method is ideal for small scale fisher flocks as an alternative income resources. In cage culture of fish has advantages and disadvantages that should be considered carefully before cage production before the season system. Advantages, mainly the main type of water resources can be used including lakes, reservoirs, ponds, strike pits, streams, and rivers. A relatively low initial investment is required in an existing body of water. Harvesting is simplified. Observation and sampling of fishes is simplified. Allow the use of pond for sport fishing or the culture of other species. Less manpower requirement. Generation of job opportunity for unemployed youth and women. Additional income to fishes during closed seasons. Disadvantages. Cage culture also has some distinct disadvantages, mainly feed must be nutritionally complete and kept fresh. Low dissolved oxygen syndromes is an ever present problem and may require mechanically aeration. Fouling of net cages. The incidence of disease can be high and disease may spread rapidly. Vandalism or poaching is a potential problem. Navigation issues, accumulation of unused food and excreta will lead to water pollution as well as eutrophication, changes in water quality parameters, conflicts within local communities, predation by aquatic mammals and birds, escapement, overcrowding of aquatic organisms in these cages. So the